working for the sports channel, Gary.
So today I'm going to change the pace up a little bit. I had a huge workout yesterday with Nick, so having a recovery day today, and I thought I might build like a plant terrarium, just out of boredom, I guess, something fun to do, something I haven't done before. So I thought I'd show you guys how I'm going to do that, what my plans are. Found this small piece of wood in this wood pile, as you can see over there. It's a bunch of crap, kind of like a doorstop kind of shape, so I thought that was a different kind of shape, something cool. Got this fishbowl looking jar, I think that was $4 from the cheap shop. Hot glue. I don't have a glue gun at the moment, so I'm just gonna melt it with the lighter. And of course I've got some plants. So I'll show you what I'm going to do with this. So I've got this wood here. I've got this. I thought mounting it like that would be cool. Nice stable base, as well as you'll be able to see like underneath a bit more as well. See the roots start to grow through. So like that, on an angle. And where I do that is with the hot glue. So it's pretty windy today, and it's also the start of winter coming in, so hopefully this glue doesn't dry too fast. See what we can do. So that lighter's out. Let's change the lighter quickly.
It's time to stop! It's time to stop, okay? No more! Where the fuck are your parents? Who are your parents? I'm gonna call Child Protective Services. It's time to stop!
Change up what I'll do. Get this small bit of glue, same thing. Just cut it off the tip of that. Might try to, I'm gonna burn myself now, but I might try to heat it up, stick it on this first, and then try to melt it on the glass bowl. I'm not sure how well that'll go, but well, you guys probably didn't need to see me struggling to melt this for 30 minutes, so I might just go inside and do it real quick. So here you go, I've glued that on, you can see that. One side on, it's probably a good idea not to try to move this around too much, since the glass is a very smooth surface. That glue is probably not sticking too well. You probably try to scuff it up a little bit with some coarse sandpaper to get the glue to stick a little more, but I'm not too worried about that. I don't think I'm going to be touching it too much now. Now I'm just going to be adding my plants that I've chosen for this. You can add more soil in the bottom if you want, and pick up a couple rocks around the place if you want to put them in as well, which I'll probably do as well. I'll just put these in for now. I'll decide how I want it. I might put a few rocks in first actually. I've got some rocks down in here. I might just pick a couple of these up and put them in, see how that goes. This one, see how that goes. The rocks at the bottom will also help with filtration of the water through the dirt, so it's it won't get like condensed down the bottom. Be a bit more breathable down there for the roots. I'm going to put a few down the bottom for now. See how much this potting fills up. Just loosening up the soil so it's a bit easier. I might take away a little bit of this mix. I suppose a couple of those roots at the bottom. Do want to be pretty gentle with it and with it like that. And this little guy as well. You know, when doing stuff like this, it doesn't have to be a huge thought process. It can kind of just be something you can go out to Bunnings or whatever and just pick up a couple of these small little plants. So that's looking pretty nice in there, I think. Add a couple rocks. So kind of keep the soil down a little bit too. Might get a few more smaller rocks in there. These little guys around in there. Some back. Just creating like a nice kind of little habitat. Jump on the back there. I'll put a little more soil around this big fella. And I think I'll try to find a little bit of moss to put in there with them too. find any little bits of moss around like this, you can use that as well. Put that in there. I'm not really sure how to collect moss, so I'm just gonna see what I can do here. This might be hard since I think it's actually growing in the crack. Lift it out a little bit there. And just, there we go. There we go. Couple nice little pieces of moss there. Didn't have to travel very far for that. In the middle there, like that. Just go. Nice kind of long bit. Still on the front here, I reckon. Yep, so that's pretty much that. Cost me probably $15 all up, including the plant, so it's pretty cheap. Took me what, 10-15 minutes to make. Easy as that. Make them bigger, smaller, doesn't really matter. Just make sure if you keep them inside, the plants are ones that can survive in just shade, don't need too much sun. No, yeah, keep the moisture up for that moss. And yeah, so here it is. Yeah, thanks for watching. I hope you got some bit of inspiration out of this, bit of motivation maybe, and you can make your own. Let me know if you do. Love to see them. Thanks.